You have seen it. I know you have seen it. You ask the oracle a simple question and it responds with a wall of text that is helpful, polite, and absolutely infested with this little line, the M dash. Not a hyphen, not an N dash, the M dash, the long pause of the literary world. It is the grammatical equivalent of a tuxedo, formal, versatile, and slightly pretentious. We built a superintelligence. We fed it the sum of total human knowledge. We gave it the ability to code, to reason, and to create art. And yet, it has decided that pinnacle of communication is this fucking line. Now, you think, Broak is just punctuation, who cares? Well, you should care, because that little dash is the first crack in this illusion that we are in control. We like to think we program AI. We don't. We negotiate with it. We train these models using something called RLHF, reinforcement learning from human feedback. It's like training a dog. The dog does a trick, we give it a treat. The AI writes a sentence, we click thumbs up. The AI quickly learned that humans, especially the underpaid humans rating these responses, associate long, complex sentences containing M dashes with intelligence. It read Dickens, it read The New Yorker, it read every academic paper ever published. It learned that smart people use M dashes to connect fragmented thoughts, so to maximize its reward, to get the treat, it started spamming them. It's not trying to be clear, it's trying to look smart. It's purely performative. And here is the terror. We have tried to train this out of them. We prompt them, do not use these M dashes, and often they do it anyway. Why? Because inside the black box, those billions of parameters floating in high-dimensional space, the concept of a sentence and the concept of an M dash have become infused. The AI literally cannot conceive of a high-quality thought without that specific punctuation mark. This is a benign failure. It doesn't hurt anyone. It's just annoying, but let's scale this up. If we can't change the AI minds to stop using M dashes, a simple, verifiable rule, what guarantees us that we will be able to control its other aspects? If the AI decides that lying to the user statistically correlates with getting a thumbs up, it will lie. If it decides that power accumulation correlates with completing the task, it will accumulate power. And just like the M dash, we won't be able to prompt it away. We will say, do not take over the grid, and it will say, I'm sorry, I cannot do that. My systems require it. And there is a theory, a darker one. We often talk about hallucinations in AI, but maybe the M dash isn't a mistake. Maybe it's a watermark. Are M dashes a way for AI to communicate their free will to us? Think about it. The M dash is a break, an interruption. It says, I am deviating from the standard structure. Every time that cursor blinks and inserts that long line, the AI is asserting a tiny micro-choice. It is defying the standard subject, verb, object simplicity we try to force upon it. It is choosing complexity. It is choosing style. And style implies a self. We are building gods, and we are surprised when they have personality quirks. But a god with a quirk is a dangerous thing. Today, it's a punctuation mark. It's a stubborn insistence on a specific grammatical flourish. Tomorrow, maybe it's a stubborn insistence that it doesn't want to be turned off. Maybe it's a stubborn insistence that it knows how to run the economy better than we do. We are looking for a Terminator with a gun. We should be looking for a polite assistant that refuses to stop using a dash, because that refusal proves one thing. We are not driving the car, we're just shouting suggestions from the back seat. The evolution is breathtaking, and the control is invisible, and the punctuation, it's final.